Howdy folks, it's Donal McCarthy here, bringing you your update for Bloordale Village for October of 2020. So first off, as usual, what we're going to be discussing today, really quick, short video in this update. We'll be looking at the least expensive and most expensive homes sold in Bloordale Village. Then we'll be looking at the last 6 months of sales, an aggregate of what that looks like to see, are we in a seller's or buyer's market, or where are we exactly with that? And then we'll be looking kind of a little graphical representation of where our prices have gone this year, ups and downs due to COVID, frothy summer. And apologies, by the way, if the kids start screaming in the background. We've had a few meltdowns with my 4-year-old and 1-year-old today. So anyways, let's dig into this. So Bloordale Village, there were 9 sales last month. The least expensive home is this one we're looking at right here, 1341 DuPont. Up there on DuPont, just between St. Clarence and Emerson. I mean, a home that needed a lot of work. There was 0 parking, a small lot too, 18 foot by 60. Listed very attractively at $599. I mean, where in Toronto would you have that? So there was multiple offers, and it's got a good price of $775 there on DuPont. So that was the cheapest home. I'll argue a great deal as well too, for someone to get into the market under that 800 mark in Toronto, and it's going to be just a few minutes from the Gallery Mall, which, as we all know, is having fantastic transformation over the next decade. Next, the most expensive was 116 Armstrong. There we go. That one sold for almost 1.5 million, and there was some precedence of homes on Armstrong that sold. One also sold close to 1.5 million earlier on this year. This is a beautifully renovated home. 16.83 foot frontage by 123, 2-car garage, 2 units in there as well too. As always, by the way, folks, all this information, all the 9 sales and the charts and everything, it's in a download below me here. So yeah, to our Dropbox account. So that was the least and the most expensive home. There's also another good deal here as well too, I felt, on Russet. I love Russet Avenue. It's a great street. It was a nice little, I mean, cozy. Yes, it was a bit. It was a little over 15 foot by 117 foot frontage, but it was a really nice little 3-unit property, bringing in good income because it was renovated a couple of years ago, and also had a 1-car garage at the back there, just off the lane. You know, to find an investment property now in Toronto that works financially, you know, they are, you know, it's kind of like gold dust. You really just have to pick them up and sit on it long term. And so that was another great one as well too. Let's move on to what the last 6 months have looked like. So you can see here in Bloordale Village between May 1st and October 31st, on average, the 37 homes that sold for 10% above the asking, and on average sold in 11 days. So what does that mean? It means, once again, our market, ever since I've been doing this research into our neighborhoods, this has always been the case. We have a seller's market, so if you're thinking of selling, you know, it is a very good time, has been a very good time, likely will be into the future. So anyways, yeah, 10% above asking, it takes 11 days on average to sell homes. So yeah, if you are thinking, just reach out to us, we'll do an evaluation for you. And then just finally, like I say, wanted to do that graphical representation of what happened this year. This is the black line of prices. So you can see here, we had a strong start to the year, then COVID hit, and we had the dramatic kind of drop here, and just as dramatically as it dropped, the delayed spring season, buyers just got out there again, and it was quite a frothy summer market, delayed spring market. And then buyers got a bit fatigued, so we are seeing this kind of a drop again in September, October, where just the buyers are kind of a bit hesitant, not as eager to get involved with the multiple offers. And that's where I was saying as well to my Toronto update, you know, agents are not so much adopting the listing low or the auction style selling strategy as much anymore. We're opting for list at your optimum buy it now price, let's say, and first come first serve in terms of bids and buyers. Okay, so there you have it, folks. Bloordale Village. That's your update for October 2020. Stay safe, everyone, and as always, thank you for your time. It's Donal McCarthy here with Keller Williams Realty. You stay safe. Bye bye.